On the shores of the Luminary island, where moonlit flowers bloomed and the night sky cast a gentle glow, lived a young luminary named Evander. Evander possessed the unique ability to communicate with the stars. He could trace constellations in the sky, and they would respond with twinkling patterns. Evander began to share a story. Long ago, it was believed that each constellation had a guardian, a celestial being tasked with protecting the balance of the universe. Evander and his friends often gathered to gaze at the stars. They felt a deep connection to the cosmos and the guardians that watched over them. Evander's heart sank as he noticed some constellations growing dim. He felt compelled to discover why the guardians were losing their brilliance. Driven by a sense of responsibility, Evander embarked on a celestial quest. His journey took him through astral landscapes and radiant nebulae. Evander's quest led him to an ancient observatory, a place where time seemed to stand still. The observatory held the wisdom of ages and the key to restoring the Guardian's light. Guided by the observatory's wisdom, Evander harnessed its energy to create a radiant essence. This essence held the power to restore the Guardian's brilliance. With the radiant essence in hand, Evander returned to the island. He infused the essence into the sky, and one by one, the constellations rekindled with brilliance. As the constellations glowed brightly, Evander felt a connection with the Guardians. They twinkled in gratitude, their light a testament to the unity between worlds. Evander shared his journey with his friends, and together, they vowed to protect the balance of the universe and honor the connection between Luminary and Guardian.